Actigall is a medication available in capsule form, and its active substance is ursodiol, ursodeoxycholic acid. It is a bile acid that helps to dissolve certain types of gallstones and to treat certain liver conditions. Indications: Actigall capsules are prescribed for the treatment of several conditions, including gallstones, to dissolve gallstones made of cholesterol and to prevent their formation in certain cases, primary biliary cholangitis, to improve liver function and slow the progression of PBC, a chronic liver disease. How to use: Actigall capsules are meant to be taken orally with a glass of water. They are typically taken with food or milk to improve absorption and reduce the likelihood of stomach upset. The dosage for treating gallstones is usually based on the patient's weight, with a typical range of 8 to 10 mg per kilogram of body weight per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses. For the treatment of primarily biliary cholangitis, the dosage can vary, often starting at 13 to 15 mg per kilogram of body weight per day, also divided into 2 or 3 doses. Contraindications: Don't use Actigall capsules if you are allergic to ursodiol or any of the ingredients in the capsules. You have complete blockage of the bile ducts. You have acute inflammation of the gallbladder or biliary tract. Warnings: Actigall may take several months to dissolve gallstones. Regular follow-up with your doctor is important to monitor progress. Inform your healthcare provider about all the medications, vitamins, and herbal supplements you are taking before starting Actigall. Side effects: Common side effects of Actigall may include, but are not limited to, diarrhea, upset stomach, nausea, constipation. Less common but potentially serious side effects may include allergic reactions, signs of liver problems, e.g. elevation of the skin, eyes, dark urine, persistent nausea or vomiting. It's important to discuss potential side effects with your healthcare provider and seek medical attention if you experience any unusual or severe symptoms. Avoid alcohol while taking Actigall, as it can interfere with the medication's effectiveness.